You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this DJ. If you want to learn more DJ names that are confusing and music celebrities, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you you'll definitely want to check out. And yes, I've made quite a bit of research, and this guy is a bit elusive, isn't he? I've seen people say it's pronounced Bijou, which kind of makes sense, you know, if you consider the 6 is a B, although I don't really see 6 as a B. A 3 could be a B, but 6 Bijou, so either Bijou or 6Ju. How do you pronounce it? Let us know in the comments. Does someone know for sure? Let us know. Upvote the one you think is right in the comments, so we finally know how to pronounce Bijou or 6Ju or anything else. Let us know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.